Let's analyze this in a bit of detail, Mr. Ali. This obviously will happen once corporate India starts to perform, because markets rise because of better profits, higher sales, and of course liquidity. Do you think the steps the government is taking in the last 15 odd days should release some kind of animal spirits in corporate India over the next 2 odd months?
If you look at it, how Indians markets have been doing, I think they have been responding to the government action, whether it's on the industrial side, defense sector side. So whichever sector we've seen, the government have been pushing, including the PSUs, have done well in last 4 or 5 years. India, by and large, have been a secular consumption economy.
Yes.
Consumption never have been a big challenge for us because we are a populous country, and population growth, demographic dividends, young country with aspirations. Consumption was never a challenge. But in last couple of years, we've seen a relative slowdown in the consumption and seen the pain in entire consumption sector, more so in the rural and urban space. So to that extent, it warranted a massive action from the government to kickstart or boost consumption. I just mentioned that they gave some direct access relief in the beginning of the year in the last budget, and now with clear intent coming in from the Prime Minister that there will be a revision in the GST downwards, which should fire some kind of a animal spirit in the India, and we'll see a significant uptick in the consumption in the second half of this fiscal and definitely in the next fiscal. So it will come with some lag. It won't come immediately, but it's very much positive. Coming to your question on animal spirit in the India incorporation, I think it will take some more time. The promoters, entrepreneurs invest in capacity when they see the decisive demands. Unfortunately, they have not been seeing the decisive demand growing, and that's where they were operating at 80% plus minus capacity in most of the sectors and not investing in the capex to increase the capacity, and that's where the animal spirit is yet to unleash. But my take is that once we see a significant growth in the demand, somewhat animal spirit will come. My take is that now its onus is also on the states to do more. States haven't done their contribution, so states can reduce stamp duty, they can reduce the some of the vehicle registration taxes and so on to unleash the animal spirit in India.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.